How to do a slow motion video in Snapchat. If any day any of you want to do a slow motion video in Snapchat but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to launch the very Snapchat application on your mobile device. You can just edit a video, you can just click a video. Otherwise, you can go to the very option like this, go to your camera roll, and after tapping on the camera roll here, you can select any of the video that you would like to slow motion. After you tap on the video like this, you can see that it will appear like this here. Now here what you have to do is you have to go to the options like this, and after you tap on the options like this, you can just decrease the speed of the video by going to the options here. And after you go to the option here, you can see the very speed here of a scroll like snail like icon. You have to tap on the snail like icon, and this way the very speed of your video will be decreased. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.